Hi, my name is Terry Clark and I'm a certified personal fitness trainer. Today I want to talk to you about how to use your hormones to get better results from your workout. Your hormones are what's on the inside of you, and so because they're on the inside of you, they affect what's going on the outside of you. In fact, what happens on the inside of you happens long before what's going to happen on the outside of you. So when we're looking at hormones, there are going to be three sets of hormones, because hormones actually work in pairs and to get the job done. Okay, so there are going to be three hormones that we want to look at. Okay, the first one is going to be leptin and insulin. Leptin and insulin work together to store fat. Okay, so when you're starting to feel full, that means that insulin is at work in your body, and you're going to store fat. Okay, leptin is going to tell you when you're full. Insulin is going to tell you when you're getting fat. Okay, leptin actually tells on insulin. Okay, so that's the way you kind of want to work it. Now with another set of hormones is going to be the fat burning hormones. Okay, you're going to have two of those as well. You're going to have ghrelin, okay, and you're going to have glucagon. Okay, glucagon is going to be the one that's going to burn the fat, and ghrelin is going to be the one that's telling you that you're burning fat or that you're hungry. Okay, so when you're trying to burn fat, okay, it's okay to be a little hungry. Okay, now you don't want to be so hungry where hunger is overwhelming, but if you're going to burn fat, okay, you're going to need to be a little bit hungry. And ghrelin is going to let you know. Ghrelin sounds like ghrelin, as in growling. The stomach is growling. Okay, so the ghrelin is going to let you know that your body is actually ready to start burning fat, and glucagon is present in the body. Okay, and then the third set of hormones that we kind of want to focus in on are going to be the muscle building hormones. You're going to have two of those. You're going to have testosterone, and then you're going to have HGH. Okay, testosterone is going to be that hormone that's going to take protein and turn it into muscle. Okay, and then HGH, which is going to work with testosterone, is going to be that hormone that's going to tell your body it's okay to take the energy and build muscle and not fat. Okay, so those two hormones are gonna work together. Okay, now there's some things that you can do, okay, to increase your HGH and your testosterone. One of them is getting a good night's sleep. In fact, when you're in a deep sleep, that's when you're gonna get the best benefits out of those hormones. Okay, now testosterone and HGH is going to work on foods like fish and intense workouts. Okay, so like sprinting and lifting heavy weights, okay, is going to increase your body's testosterone and HGH. Now, the interesting thing about testosterone and HGH, okay, they have to work together in order to build muscle. Okay, in fact, there was a study done and it found that, you know, testosterone in the absence of HGH did not build muscle. Okay, so those things about your hormones, you need to educate yourself on your hormones and know how your hormones are affecting your ability to store body fat, burn body fat, build muscles, because your hormones are actually the things that determine what's happening in your body. Okay, they say what's going to happen. Those are those internal factors. So it does not matter what we do on the outside. Okay, if we're not going to build up those hormones and listen to those hormones, okay, then we're going to have problems. And you know, we can tell if we're storing fat because leptin's going to tell us, hey, you're full. We can tell if we're burning fat, okay, because ghrelin is going to say, hey, you're hungry. Okay, and we can tell if we're building muscle or if testosterone and HGH is present, you know, just by the size of our muscles, you know, just by getting on the scale and looking at the weight, because muscle weighs more than fat. Okay, so make sure you're listening to your hormones. The fact that your hormones are the ones that are going to decide what's going to happen, means that your diet and your sleep plays a bigger role than you think. Okay, it's nice to focus in on a workout, okay, but the workout in and of itself is a catabolic exercise. You need anabolic things like food and sleep in order to build muscle.